Fire Island Inlet to Morges Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Morges Inlet to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles. Long Island Sound, Taconic and Gardeners Bays, Long Island South Shore Bays, until 3 a.m. At 2:05 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along and extending from near Smithtown Bay to near Orient Point, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Deering Harbor, Orient Point, Plum Island, Harrod Point, Horton Point, Mattock Inlet, Port Jefferson Harbor, and Shelter Island around 2:10 a.m. Gardeners Bay and Shelter Island Sound around 2:15 a.m. Gardeners Island and the Race around 2:20 a.m. Little Peconic Bay around 2:25 a.m. Western Block Island Sound and Great Peconic Bay around 2:30 a.m. Napeague Bay around 2:35 a.m. Montauk Point around 2:45 a.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.